February 24th, 2026. The day after the big blizzard. I'm just walking down Beechnut Avenue right now. You can see the impact the blizzard had. Look at all this snow. Even today, there are still people trying to dig out of it. What a mess. They're using shovels, they're using automatic snow blowers, and like I said before, what a mess! Earlier today, these cars were completely covered by snow, but as you can see, it's finally being dug out. Here's somebody I often visit every once in a while to shovel out. It took me 2 days and 4 visits to finally clear all this snow off our property. Wow, I don't think we've ever seen this much snow in a couple of years. But some of this winter scene is not so bad. Kids build a nice couple of snowmen. Well, I'll let you guys hang out for a little while. I gotta go. Hey boss, you think that guy with the camera phone is gone? I hope so, 'cause I sure don't want to see him get the cold shoulder around here. Me neither, boss. Me neither.